Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome back to Electro Pixels. It's a 43-inch Samsung Full HD 3D LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is, see friends, red light blinking issue. See, the TV is not releasing from the standby. This is the fault. You can see, while trying to release the TV from the standby, see, the red light just only flashes for a second. Then again it goes to standby mode. Here we already opened the backer of the TV. Here you can see, this is the panel take-on board. This is the motherboard. And this is the power supply board. Here, while checking the power supply board, you can notice one thing. One of the capacitor in this power supply board is bulged. See friends, here you can notice one of the capacitor in this power supply board. Here you can see the top portion is bulged. So this means that it's a faulty capacitor. So maybe this is the reason which is causing the standby issue in this TV. So see, you can clearly see that while comparing with the other two capacitors, here this capacitor top portion is bulged. So this means that it's a faulty capacitor. So to repair this TV, let us replace this faulty capacitor and check the TV again. See friends, here you can see, finally here we replaced this faulty capacitor with new one. See, this is the old capacitor. So in this condition, now let us power on the TV and check the TV is okay or not. See friends, now we turn on the TV. See, now the TV is released from the standby. So that faulty capacitor is the reason for no power issue in this TV. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.